Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2015 Cadillac Escalade. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features it may have. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting angles for you. I'm going to try to get both so you can see for yourself the condition. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. Now this Cadillac has a multitude of options. I'm not going to have time to get to all of them. I'm going to try to get them all in view for you the best I can. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows. It does have power running boards. Has the backup camera, backup sensors, bird's eye view. Backup camera, and we'll get to that here in a little bit. Again, I just want to get these angles and the condition for you. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous Escalade. No doubt about that. And here on tire size, hopefully I can find the tire size for you. The sun glare really kills it, guys. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you can read that. And again, I do apologize, that sun glare really does kill it. This is a beautiful Escalade, no doubt about it. All right, we'll get to the inside condition and features. This does have remote start, and I apologize. Again, the sun's really not doing us any favors here, but what I'll do is I'll lock it and we'll turn it over. There we go. We'll get to the inside condition and features. This does have the convenience package all the way around on all the doors. It does have the lane departure collision warning. And again, power running boards. But let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, power memory seats, Bose premium sound, power fold-in mirrors, and the wood grain. This is a nice Cadillac. All right, so let's get the condition of the seats here. That is a wireless charger for your phone. There, passenger seat. Let's go ahead and get the back seat here real quick. Or the back seats, I should say. Captain's chairs, middle row. Get the condition of the seats here. Captain's chairs. Just absolutely gorgeous. Heated rear seats. Rear entertainment. I'm going to go ahead and climb in here. Go ahead and get these rear features for you real quick. So I apologize, push on that guy there. Well, I should probably turn this over first. I'll get back to that here in just a moment, folks. I do apologize. But let's get these rear seats, the third row for you. Yes. And then it does have the Cadillac rubber floor mats all the way around. If it'll focus for me, I do apologize. Let's go ahead and turn this over real quick and we'll get to some features. All right, so push button. Pedal adjusters, heated and cooled seats. Again, just want to try to get this in here the best I can. And you can see it even has the Navi inside the speedometer there. Let's go ahead and four-wheel drive. Controls, wood grain, and same here, wood grain finish. Let's go ahead and get underneath here. I apologize. So, headphones there, wireless. All right, let's go back to the back seat real quick. Again, DVD player. Do apologize. This is not focusing the way I would like it to. I probably should close the door before that. Again, let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick. Again, I just trying to get all this in here the best I can for you. It's just a lot of options. Sunroof there. Yep, that's telling me that I'm leaving the car with the key in my pocket. All right, now guys, I say this in my videos all the time. I am not a mechanic, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, probably looked at a few others, so you have an idea what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. You know, all of our vehicles, they do come with warranty. You know, but I always encourage folks to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves, but again, there's the mileage there. Here, I'll put on the Navi the best. Let's go ahead and go for Navi. Home screen. Navigation. Navigation there. Let's go ahead and put it in reverse. Like I said, bird's eye view with the reverse. Let's turn on some lights. Go back to the engine here. Again, telling me I'm leaving the car with the key in my pocket. But yeah, purring along beautifully. But let's go ahead real quick. I want to get this in before. This is probably one of the longer videos I've done. So this is just part of the jack. We got the power seats there. Go ahead and fold that one down. Fold this one down. Fold it up. Just again, a beautiful Escalade. All right, guys. Well, again, it's telling me, hey, you're leaving the car with the keys in your pocket. Again, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know I didn't get everything in there, but if you guys need photos and you know, even another video walk around, Whatever we can do for you, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.